So these are adult rat lungworms.
In rats, it doesn't really cause a problem. However, in humans, it can cause eosinophilic meningitis. And so infection with a large number of these parasites can result in significant neurologic damage. We started a research project last summer looking for this parasite in particular, and a handful of other parasites with it, in the invasive Cuban tree frog. We found it in Volusia County, so through some collaborators there. So this is the first documented occurrence of the rat lungworm, Angiochondrus cantonensis anninanurin, also known as a frog, in Florida, and then also in the Cuban tree frog.
With the Cuban tree frog being a vector for this parasite, we know that native reptiles, snakes mainly, eat Cuban tree frogs, native birds, native mammals, and so they have the potential to get infected. We're also concerned about infection of native frogs with this parasite through the Cuban tree frog.
The potential is there to infect these other hosts and potentially cause severe disease, and in some instances actually kill that host. And so that's the main concern when we're thinking about this parasite and its movement.
Cuban tree frogs are really common in suburban neighborhoods. They're now, unfortunately, the dominant frog in Central and South Florida, and they can be very abundant around houses. And if you have pets like a dog, or a lot of people have outdoor cats, it's possible that it could then be infected by this rat lungworm parasite.
When you're handling frogs, make sure you wash your hands, monitoring your children so that they're not inadvertently handling these frogs. This parasite is one that is definitely not going away in Florida. It's expanding its host range, its geographic range. It's something that, while not necessarily needs to be feared, but something that you need to be aware of.